If you enjoy airplanes and motorcycles, you're going to love using them together. The new patent-pending cargo pod makes it fun and easy to carry a street-legal motorcycle. After landing, it takes just a few minutes to remove the motorcycle, unfold the handlebars, and ride away. The addition of ground transportation can add a new level of utility and enjoyment to your flying. With ground transportation at any airport, you'll be free to ride into town, visit new places, and explore your destinations. The spacious pods can also double your cargo volume while keeping the weight near your center of gravity. It's a great way to carry your camping gear, golf clubs, or luggage. Even surfboards and bicycles can finally travel with you. Attaching the pod couldn't be easier. A built-in winch system lifts it into position where it's secured with pins. Attach your pod for ground transportation or cargo space. Remove it when you're done. The removable design lets you reconfigure your airplane in minutes. Products are now available for the Vans RV10, and certified installations are planned for a number of common aircraft. Visit us at motorcyclepilot.com for more information.
I think it's fantastic to be able to take my girlfriend, motorcycle, still have room for cargo, and we can go exploring. Out of all the airplanes I've flown, I think the RV-10 is my new favorite with the pod.